So ayan, magandang araw sa inyo mga kapatid. So ayan, buong pamilya kasama ko si Mami, Keisha and Sophia. Meron kasing bagong restaurant dito sa amin na hype siya. Hype na hype no? Ang dami nagsasabi mga Pilipino, lalong-lalo na mga galing taga Middle East na masarap daw yung fried chicken nila. So, syempre, alam niyo naman, pag bagong restaurant dito, subukan namin. So, yung restaurant na yan, ay may mga branch siya dito sa UK. At ang pinaka main branch niya ay sa Dubai at saka sa Middle East. So, subukan namin tong restaurant na ito mga kapatid. So, punta kami dito ni Mami. Di ba, Mami?
Pardon? What? Sorry, I wasn't listening.
We're going to the Chick-fil-A. Ano? What's it
What's it
called?
called?
Chick-fil-A? Ano?
Chicklings or something.
Chick-fil-A.
No, it's a new shop in Poplin. It's called Chicken something.
Punta namin yun, Chickling.
Chicken
So ayan, dito na kami. So punta kami dito sa bagong restaurant na from UAE in Dubai daw. We'll see.
There you guys.
So ayan si Mami order na siya. That's all. Order na siya. Very crunchy yung mga chicken nila mga bata. Tabang. So ayan yung order namin. 9 pieces chicken. 9 pieces chicken wing. At so meron pang french fries. Regular royal chicken. 35 pounds lang siya.
Why does it say that?
It's there. Yan siya, ano. It's there. Sharing bucket, 9 pieces. Chicken regular, 9 fillet. It's regular royal crunchy is there. Chicken burger. Why do you want the chicken burger?
Because I'm hungry. And
What you want, chicken
I
burger?
also want a burger, and I also want chicken burger.
Mango. There's no mango. It's
She
chicken.
said menu.
Menu. So, ayan. Yung mga chicken nila fancy.
Daddy, can you please eat them?
This chicken is originally from UAE and Dubai. So, tignan natin. Chicken. Ayan. Yan na naman ang anak ko, kanyang dance step. Kanyang famous na dance step. So, yan, ang aming hapunan. Chicken. Chicken daw, chicken. From Dubai. From Dubai and UAE. So yan mga kapatid. Grabe yung serving ng chicken nila
You got 5
Oh. Chicken! Diyan ko Jollibee, kabahan ka na.
Look at that. Look, God. That's huge.
Grabe. Laki.
This one is mine, isn't it?
Yeah, there's plain one. No buns. Why have you got how many plates?
Malasa yung manok nila mga kapatid.
Ketchup, ketchup.
Oh,
Love chicken, ketchup
malasa siya. Malasa siya. Iba yung, iba yung pagkalasa niya, tapos ang lalaki ng mga manok Grabe. Grabe yung manok. Mas malaki, kasi laki nito ng kamao ko. Grabe yung laki. Panalo. Tapos mura pa. Nag-enjoy yung aking pamilya sa chicken burger nila. Ayun, si Mami. It's huge. Chicken burger.
Do some chips.
Chicken, lalaki ng chicken.
Chips. Chips.
Nice, okay. Just another one. Just
Very
another one.
good.
No thanks.
This burger's really good.
Oh
What
really?
is that?
What, can I have all these chips? Or just like half?
Grabe. Ayun, masela ng taste bud itong batang to. Pero nasarapan siya dito sa chicken.
Is it good?
Sarap pa siya sa chicken burger.
What did you say?
Is the chicken nice?
Is it better than
McDonald's.
better than McDonald's?
And it's better McDonald's.
Is it? That's good. Mura pati, tapos masarap siya, di ba? Doon na tayo.
Let's taste the chicken.
Sarap. Ito lang ang aming
Can't,
hapunan.
can't you?
Ngayon.
What?
You can actually taste the chicken.
Si Bunso. So nice.
It's crunchy but less crispy.
Mas malaki pa yung manok sa'yo, anak eh.
This is my tissue.
The chicken is so big.
Exactly.
Food trip kami ngayon mga kapatid. O, yung anak ko. Si Pia. Nag-enjoy. Mami. Nag-enjoy siya.
I finished. Nice.
Masarap siya eh. Masarap siya mga kapatid na chicken taste from Dubai and UAE. Ayan, chicken. Bago siyang restaurant sa lugar namin. Sarap yung mga chicken nila. Malasa siya kahit walang gravy. Malasa.